Now we got the same thing in 3/4. We got a whole series of those things in 3/4 and a series of those things in 2/4. Olive Rev, I got an Olive Rev example in there, and also a 12/8. Cueing is very important. Now remember again, there are two ways of cueing. A direct cue, bang. Or using a beat pattern where you go and play. Just regular beat pattern. Now this hand has to, cueing hand has to go right back into the beat pattern. Believe me, you have no idea how important that is. Because as I explained before, I say it a million times, you get in a studio, there are people hanging from the chandeliers. Wherever they are, they've got to be able to see your hands. Wherever they are. And boy, they get some weird setups. So you just can't stand there and go like this and expect these people back here to see it. You have to be able to communicate from all angles. There's a page called, actually there's 2 pages called the accent. The accented beat must be prepared by a larger upbeat or a preparatory beat after the preceding beat before the accented beat. So I have examples, for instance, they're only 4 bars in length, which makes it easy. The first one has an accent on the first beat. The first bar is on 1. The second bar, the accent's on 2. The third is on 3. The fourth is on the 4th beat. And we have a hold with an accented sforzando and a crescendo. Boys, it's logical. You guys are going to be writing this stuff like crazy, right? So if you want to conduct that stuff, this is the way it goes. And we have an accent on 1. So the preparation beat is 4. That has to let the people know it's an accent. I can't just go excuse me, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, and they're supposed to nail it like that. Notice what I did? That's not doing anything. That's not conducting. But if I go 1, 2, 4, bop, 2, 3, then they saw it coming because my preparation let them know. That's why everything has to be prepared. It's that preparation that lets them know what's happening. Right in front, square one. Your preparation beat indicates the time. How fast you're going to play. Eh? In a tempo situation, that's your tempo. Starting right from there. So everything has to be prepared. It's the preparation that lets them know what's happening. It's in cueing. If you want a gentle cue, ready and play. Or ready and play. If you want them to nail it, bump. Ready. Bah! You'll let them know
With the angry face?
Huh?
With the angry face.
I get that. Depends on what you want. But it is true. See, I'm confining everything right to here until you get the techniques. I say when you stick around for film, then we get into the whole thing, which is your whole being is involved in communication. If I write a gorgeous line and I want the strings to make love to it, I want to, show that, see. One thing at a time. The thing is, the preparation beat, even with a poker face, is going to show them what I want. If I want them to do it easy, you know what I mean? So, here we go. With this first example, alternate each through the 4 bars, the accent comes on the next progressive beat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Bop, bop. Sforzando, crescendo. Bop. Right away, or I can just go bop, bing. Or with both hands. The idea is, this is easy because when you get a sforzando and a hold, your hands are pretty much this way, which is great for a crescendo. Into the cutoff. Example number 2. I've altered it a little bit. I just moved them over 1 notch. So we start, first accent is on 2, next bar is on 3, third bar is on 4, and the 4th bar is on 1. So you got 2 of them back to back with a hold on 2 with the accent. So we have this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. crescendo and off. You want it sforzando or forte piano, or there's all kinds, whatever effect you want at the point. The idea is you're in good shape. You're in good shape with a hold because you're ready for crescendo. That works just as well. On the next one, I have a forte piano. You see how that works. Okay, now on number 3, I moved everything over one more beat. So we have 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I had a forte piano. So I got the hold, which indicates strong, right? 1, 2, hit it, and then cool it. Be quiet. I can use both hands. I can do it this way. Here's the hold. 1, 2, hold. Forte. This is forte piano. Both hands I can cut off, or I can use both hands in a case like this. 1, 2, accent piano. Once you get that independence, whatever you think, whatever your mind thinks musically, it'll happen. Sometimes you can go 1, 2, 3, whatever. But that's the idea, is to prepare even the accents, prepare them so they see it coming. They might have an accent mark on the part, but you really want them to nail it. They don't know how much you want, so you can really show that. Sometimes it's a very gentle one. 3. Just sit on it a little bit. Da. In a ballad, that might be gorgeous. You got the trombones, a nice pad, a little brass pad at a certain point too. Oh. Just a very gentle attack, but still you put that attack mark on there.